not enough, they pull you over. You do too much, they pull you over. Now, but this is just a little time. You just gotta get out of this. Once you get past this, you good. Yeah. Oh, I'm about to say it look like one come. Yeah, this the last life. Nah, I ain't out the town. Yeah, you still can't. Yeah, you gotta pass these stores. I thought I passed it. Yeah, you still gotta act right here, y'all. Yeah, you still, cause they be one right here chilling at the stores. They be chilling at the stores right here. Oh, I forgot about this one. They joining in, they must have figured out. They done figured out I'm close to the Texas Motorplex. They coming on in here now. I'm wondering when I get to the Motorplex, can I go live with the 1080p? Right here, this is the 720. I wonder, can I go at 1080 and switch it up and not have no problems? Ooh, that sounds good. But I be having problems. I be having problems. Hey. Like coming to this track, it takes too long. Do be a little lower up here somewhere too. Make sure he ain't up here today. Police reported ahead. You know I got my pedal shifters working too, y'all. I forgot to show y'all, I installed my pedal shifters. Got the pedal shifters in there now. Installed me a little switch. Look, got my switch right here. I flip that on. That's my on and off switch. I flip that on now. The pedal shifters working here. Police quote with pedal shifters, man. Yeah. One of a kind, one of a kind. I love it. Oh, shit. I'm trying to get somewhere. 434 dispatch, we have a problem. Get out the car, move it. Okay. Hey,
how you doing, bro?
yeah, they said look out racing, get in free.
No, sir.
Oh, you ain't heard nothing about that?
No, sir, none of that, sir.
Oh, okay. They said media. You ain't heard nothing
No,
about it?
sir, media gonna be 75.
75?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
nah, I ain't media then.
Good idea.
I'm regular. Whatever regular. What's the
Regular,
cheapest? 25?
25.
I got 25. I got that. Yeah, buddy. Let me see something. And you sure look out. Okay. You said look out ain't on there, y'all. It must be a mistake. Here we go, man.
See, I know you a celebrity. I'm not a hater.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay.
People that make the prices,
Yeah.
they be doing this stuff, they grab some celebrity money.
Oh, no, they said somebody on here talking about they know you, man. Who that?
All right, boss.
I really appreciate it, man. You have a good day.
Come on, you gotta sign up and get a
Oh, I got to sign something,
You
too?
gotta sign in the track.
How much is it to race?
Here you go, right there.
I don't want to race here.
There you go.
What? Yeah, that's too much to race. How much is it to race?
$60 a race.
60 to race.
There you go. Hold on, let me get your band, boss.
Okay.
Man. I ain't start working right here. You know why? 'Cause I get to see the celebrities come in.
Yeah, yeah,
I ain't a
already,
hater, I'm a
man.
professional spectator, and I know greatness when I see it.
Already.
You have a good time. Enjoy yourself.
I already appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. Hey. Let's see if I can go over here.